Joe. That was awesome, man. Let's go meet the best of South Lake.
All right, man, let's go do it.
All right, cool.
Hi, South Lake. Welcome to our Best of South Lake series. This is Matt Wheatley, and I'm Joe Jamieson. Today we're joined by Gus Cordero from State Farm Insurance. He's here to represent Heather Thies and Best of South Lake Insurance Agency. Welcome, Gus.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Yeah, Gus, thanks for coming. We know you guys are locally driven, but why do you guys think you won the best insurance firm in South Lake County?
Well, I think a big thing with us is we really want to provide the best service possible to our clients. And that can maybe sound cliche, but It's a big part of what we do on a daily basis. We want to make every interaction as best as possible. So, we definitely want to make sure that our customers not just leave happy, but that they leave wowed. And I think that's what, sets us apart. We're local, people can visit us in person.
And you also have every branch covered, right? So auto, home, what else do you guys cover?
Right, so a lot of what we write in our office, we write a lot of auto insurance, home insurance, it's probably the regular stuff, but we do a lot of life insurance, very common product that we sell. Do a lot of renter's insurance for people that live around town.
Pretty much you can help everyone.
Yeah.
So they're going to need you in some form or fashion.
Yeah, throughout the stages. Yeah.
You said something right before we were setting up here that I thought was interesting. You said that the auto rates have kind of gone down this year due to less people driving. Can you elaborate on that a little bit for us and maybe educate our viewers?
Definitely, yeah. Not just for our new customers, but our existing customers. They've both seen a decrease in premiums when it comes to auto insurance.
I'll call you.
Yeah, yeah, reach out. About 10% has been the reduction across the board. So It's been pretty good, and we're glad to be able to have done that for our customers that are not driving as much.
Absolutely.
So I know Heather likes to be very involved in the community. Can you tell us about some of your community projects that you guys help out with, some of the events and whatnot?
Yeah, so we've always participated in Taste of South Lake, big local event.
One of my favorites.
Yeah, it's an awesome one. A Pig on the Pond too is pretty big, and we participate in that one. And we also do some of the smaller events that we might have around town, whether it's the farmers market. We do the Toys for Tots drive every year for Christmas. So we try to be as involved as possible. Our goal is usually do a couple of events a month. So we usually get out there pretty often.
It's been tough this year.
Yeah,
it's been tough this year for sure. We've had to adjust a lot of. All of us have had to adjust that, but you guys also do a lot with the chamber too, right? As far as after hours, you guys are involved in attending those and all that stuff. Can you tell us a little bit about how being involved in the chamber has helped your business?
Yeah, well, I mean, definitely, I think the exposure is good for us, for people to know, and it gives us an opportunity to, again, just eventually, our goal is to get out in the community and to be a part of the community. So being part of the chamber just lets us, get to know other businesses, other business owners, and also help them, because aside from personal insurance, we do a lot of business insurance too. So a lot of people in the chamber that we can help.
Sure. Besides your community involvement, why pick Heather at State Farm?
Yeah, so I think there's a lot of reasons. I mean, number one, our team, we have a big group of 12 licensed team members, all local to the area. So, people that you live with.
Makes a huge difference. Yeah.
You see them at Publix, you don't want to mess with that. Get punched in the nose by doing somebody wrong.
Yeah.
Accountability.
Yeah, they'll help you. Yeah, that's a big thing about us. I think with the local office, it's a lot different than calling another insurance company's 800 number, where you don't get a chance to meet the person, to know the person, and be able to go back to that same team member that will help you in the long run. So
having a direct number to somebody helps in almost every form or fashion of every business. And of course, you guys are State Farm, that's your branding, that's your national name, but having the local company behind that, I'm sure really helps solidify your actual business. Yeah. You could probably be a different franchise if you wanted to. The people that are there are the ones that really run the business.
Yeah, every agency is a little bit different. So, at Heather Thies State Farm, we have our goals, community involvement, helping people, commercial, business, whether
so
it's
tying
personal.
both worlds together is definitely something that I also wanted to touch on. Home insurance rates this year. We've seen an increase, but you guys say you still stay competitive?
Yeah. For us, we've been able to stay pretty stable in our pricing.
Nice.
One of the things that is really setting State Farm apart when it comes to homeowners is that our pricing over the last probably 3 or 4 years has been pretty stable. We've not seen any increases at all. We had a decrease a couple years ago. So
So if you've had an increase in your homeowners insurance this year, give them a call.
Call us.
For sure.
Let's feed into this a little bit also. I'm not the cheapest mortgage person in town, and there's a reason for that. We're the best. So although State Farm's not the cheapest always, why would somebody choose State Farm over?
Yeah, definitely. You know, so we like to pride ourselves on being there when the customer needs us, right? When there's a claim, that's when a customer can see the difference between the carrier that they have and what we can bring to the table.
You hope you never have a claim, but when you need the person and they're not there,
right. And
that's the hard part, for sure.
State Farm has a lot of resources. You know, we have adjusters that we have in-house that we can send to catastrophe areas, especially Florida, you know, big hurricane state.
Yes.
So big area for us.
So you guys can keep those expenses lower. That's why you're able to provide those.
Yeah, I mean,
I can tell you from personal experience, my truck gets hit a lot. Not necessarily from me, but other people hitting me. And when it does, I like to see State Farm for the insurance because it always gets taken care of.
Yeah.
And when it's the others, I'm like, oh crap, we got to get a cop involved. And
it's a lot more work. Yeah, you know, we want to make it as easy as possible for the customer to do business with us.
So for someone that's looking for quotes or, you know, for a change or something along those lines, and they've watched the video, how can they find you?
Yeah, a couple different ways. I mean, number one, they can go on the heatherthies.com page and they can start a quote right from there. They can request for an agent to contact them, or they can finalize their own policy online. They can also visit statefarm.com, and then on the agent locator, they'll find our information.
For the local, when they look for a local branch. Okay.
Yeah. We also have the advantage of, you know, having customers walk into our office. So that's an option. They can just come in and see us in person. We can quote them.
Where are you guys located?
We're on Highway 50, right here next to downtown Claremont, 525 West Highway 50. And they can also call. So if that's their preference.
We'll put your phone number right here. So that's awesome.
Got a brand new building right on 50 and 7th?
50 and 5th, I believe.
50 and 5th. Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for coming out. We really appreciate it. And congratulations again on winning Best of South Lake for insurance.
Yeah, thanks for having us. Appreciate it.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
And Heather.